Khan Academy Kids!
Words everywhere! I love going on word hunts. Will you join me? Let's see what we can find. Aha! There's one. Milk. There's another one. Exit. Hey, there's another. That says stop. And play. Let's go join my friends.
Here are 3 stores. The store windows all have letters, like A, B, and C. Now the store windows all have numbers, like 1, 2, and 3 for counting. Tap the letters in the store window.
D, A, E.
Great job! Tap me if you ever need help. Tap the letters in the store window.
C, 6.
Oops!
F,
That's a number. Tap the letter. Tap the letters in the store window.
E.
Keep up the good work. Tap the letters in the store window.
G, F, D, D.
Nice! Hi! We're going to draw some lines and make some pictures. Are you ready? Draw some lines from the bees to the flowers. Tap the green button when you're done. Trace the lines to the cars. Trace the lines to the planes. Draw some jewels on Olo's crown. Finish drawing the house. was fun. Thanks for drawing with me.
Wowie wow wow! Look at these awesome gifts! Which one will you pick?